Hello, welcome to the next ADASH video. Today we have here new DDS feature. I think that you have already heard about AIDY, ADASH AI Assistant. It is available on our website or directly from DDS. But I don't want to talk about AIDY in this video, but another AI feature we've created, about Advisor. In fact, we have here a two-layer application where the first part is an advisor, which is deterministic algorithm, and the second part is AIDY, AI. Together, they form your complete analyst in the field of vibrations. Imagine that you just started with the vibration diagnostics. You don't have years of experiences. And now your task is to perform a data analysis and find the machine faults. In such a situation, I think that this advisor feature could be priceless for you. Why? Advisor is a useful and a very smart tool. It was designed to help you with the fault diagnostics. It basically analyzes your measured data. Based on them, Advisor evaluates which fault is probably presented on your machine. To analyze the data correctly, Advisor requires spectrum measurements with speed information for your machine. This is because the machine faults are evaluated based on spectral data. Advisor needs a few parameters to work correctly. These are the measured speed. If it is constant, it can be entered as a value. You need to enter direction of measurement points, limit values, according to the standards, or you can set your own limits. And you need to create spectrum data cells. Once this is set and data are measured, the advisor gives you the best possible data analysis. Go to Advisor tab. Advisor can only be used in licensed DDS version. Here is the DDS3 with measured data. Click on Advisor. Specify the date for data analysis. You will usually run the advisor to analyze the latest measured data, but you can also select another time from the past for analysis. Confirm it with OK, and finally, you can see the advisor window. Firstly, you can see the parameters check in this window. If any parameter for analysis is missing, you see the information about it in this window. For example, I did not define the point direction in the tree. When advisor made the check, he found out that the direction is missing. You can see the message about it here. If there is no message like this, you immediately see the advisor result in this window. We can see an example of Unbalance. Advisor evaluated the data in machine and informs you about the unbalance. It advises you to balance the rotor to remove this fault. Here you can see the next example. I clicked on Advisor button for this machine and it again evaluated some fault. This time it is mechanical looseness. You also get the tip for the next steps. In this case, it advises you to measure vibration on mounting bolts and evaluate them. In case that you measure significantly higher vibration on some of them, it would be helpful to tighten it. It can also happen that advisor evaluates the data and will not find any known fault. In this case, it evaluates it as other fault, as you can see in the following example. In such a situation, the fault needs to be analyzed more deeply. We recommend to do more detailed measurements, or Discuss this with a specialist for vibration diagnostics. If any fault was found and the information advisor gives you is not clear enough for you, just use the AI chat button. AI can handle it from here and advises you on issue solution. Or, at least, it gives you some useful tips. More information about AIDY is included in the AIDY video. DDS can also help with tree creation for advisor. Spectrum measurements, isospectrum, and overall spectrum are required for advisor analysis. If you are not sure which measurements you should define, this function may be useful for you. It generates the tree with machines and measurement points, where you can change names and limits according to your preferences. You just click on the Create Machines button and this window pops up. Enter the number of the machines you want to create and also the number of measurement points. In this example, I want to create 3 machines and 5 measurement points for each of them. Press OK. You can see the new tree generated. This tree includes 3 machines and 5 measurement points as defined. The most important is that each point includes required spectrum data cells for advisor and also another measurements. Why? Trends of these measurements clearly shows the development of vibrations in time. You can clearly see the worsening machine condition, and this will make your work easier. Thank you for watching.